Hi! In front of me is Infinix Smart 6 HD, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. You need to start by opening Settings. Following that, click on More Connections over here and tap on Printing. After that, you can tap on Default Print Service or select Add Service and download the desired one. I will go with HP one. When it's ready, you need to click on the back button twice and click on your service. After that, just tap on this switcher if it's not already on, and now your device is searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!